Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to make a GIF in Adobe Express. First of all, launch open your Adobe Express application on your mobile device, and from the main home page, go ahead and click on the plus blue button at the bottom right hand corner. Now, go to Quick Actions at the top right and click on Convert to GIF. Now, tap on the plus icon on the screen and select Photo Library. Now go ahead and select a video you would like to use and convert to GIF. Once you select the video, click on Done at the top right, and then on the next page, after your media has been uploaded, drag the handles on the video timeline to set the start and end points on your GIF. Under File Size, select the desired file size based on where you plan to share your GIF. You can choose between large, medium, or small. Under Layout, go ahead and select your aspect ratio, and finally click Download at the bottom to save your newly created GIF. And there you have it. You will be able to create a GIF from Adobe Express. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.